Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing this simple, gorgeous, beginner friendly tutorial. It's a soft glam tutorial, and I did the eyeshadow in only 2 steps. So that is literally the aim of this video, to make it so much easier for everybody who is a beginner to follow the tutorial and make it easier to recreate. If you're new here, hi, my name is Thato and you're most definitely welcome on my channel. Do hit that subscribe button, join the fam, and ring that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload a new video. Now let's get into this tutorial. I'm going to start off by priming my face using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer, just to prep the skin for foundation. Then for foundation, I'm using the lovely Wet n Wild First to Focus foundation. This foundation is actually a mattifying foundation, and I have dry skin to combination skin, but actually this foundation still works even for dry skin, so don't worry too much about it. Look at that perfect match on the skin of this foundation. Love it. Now I'm going in with my Revlon Color Stay full coverage concealer, and I'm just going there underneath my eyes. I'm not using too much concealer. I'm using it right there in the front and, you know, there at the back to lift the eye. I'm using that technique of application and blending with my Wet Beauty blender. Then I'm applying it again on my Cupid's bow and chin and blending it again with my Wet Beauty blender. You'll see that with this concealer, I'm applying it as I go and then blending it out. This is because it dries super quickly. Then the last spot is my forehead, and I'm blending it all out. And then I'm going to use my Revlon Candid Concealer in a lighter shade for the bridge of my nose, and also a little bit there in the inner corner of the eye. Well, underneath the eye, but more towards the inner corner, and also the forehead, just to brighten those areas a bit more. For powder, I'm using the Oddly Loose Translucent Powder in the shade Translucent Bear, and I'm using my fluffy round brush to apply the powder and set all the areas that I use concealer. Then I'm using my Essence Mattifying Compact Powder for contouring using my angled brush, my precise angled brush, and I'm just contouring there by the cheekbones, the forehead, the jawline, and my nose as well. Powder contouring is so much easier even for beginners, so I definitely feel like this will be such an easy beginner friendly tutorial to follow. Then to prep my eyelids, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer as eyelid primer, and I'm using my Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that white shadow. The steps I'm going to do for this eyeshadow is so beginner friendly, so easy. I'm taking the white eyeshadow first with a flat brush, while my concealer is still creamy and tacky, and the concealer can just adhere to it. Because I'm doing a soft glam look also, it's very easy to follow this with other soft shades. Just apply the first shade. It's a 2-step eyeshadow. The first shade with the flat brush towards the center, the front part and the center of the eyelid, and you're just gonna pack it on, and it's that easy. And in the second step of this eyeshadow tutorial, you're going to go with a round fluffy brush, like a medium-sized one, and go in the outer third of your eye and just go in circular motions and blend it into the lighter shade. So now you're going in with a little bit darker shade, but you're going with your neutral tones, and this is how this 2-step eyeshadow is going to work for your soft glam. Just look at how effortless it's going, and how effortless the blend is, and how effortless like just this whole look is, and just just look at the tutorial and you'll see how easy it is to follow. It's literally just 2 steps, 2 brushes, 2 shades of eyeshadow, and you're good to go. That is such a beginner friendly soft glam tutorial right there. Now then I'm going with my flat brush again. Just you can go with a smaller brush really underneath the lower lash line, just to go in with the brown to finish up the eyeshadow look, and you're pretty much done. Now for eyeshadow, I'm using this Beauty Treats Deluxe Pro eyeshadow, Deluxe Pro palette. It has blush and eyeshadow in it, and I'm just combining my blushes and going there with them. As you can see, such a lovely blush. And to elevate the eye look, of course, I'm going in with my wing liner. Look at that easy step. Just look at the application. I'm not applying it all the way through in one step. I'm taking my time, and I just made a little just a little point to the front, the inner corner, and then just a little there at like the winged part of the eye, like the outer part of the eye. And I just winged it out just a little bit, and that's enough. Literally, that's enough. It does such a difference to the eye shape as well. It just opens it up. Just look at that. Now for mascara to seal the deal, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess mascara. For the top lashes, this is to prepare it for the lash application really, so I don't really need to do much. And then I'm also going to apply it to the bottom lashes. I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow with my fan brush, and I'm using this as highlighter. I'm applying this on the cheekbones as well as the nose bridge and tip. And then I'm also going to take it with a smaller brush to apply it in the inner corners of my eye, just to give it a little bit of a sparkle. Now for lips, I actually enjoy using my MAC Antique Velvet lipstick for lip liner, sort of as a lip liner. And this is the first step of the lips that I'm going to go in with. And then I'm going to use my Rimmel lipstick. It's the shade is Thato Go. It's a matte lipstick, so we're going for a matte look today, and I'm going to apply this until I'm happy with the shade and the blend of it with the lip liner. And of course, as you can see, it's all beautiful. And I'm using Intense Rouge in the shade Wink from Yardley London, just to dab it on a little bit at the top there. The lashes are written down below, so don't worry about that. I'll write that down below. And I'm setting it with setting spray, and I'm all done. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button to indicate that you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think about it, or which part was your favorite, in the comment section down below. Also share this video with somebody who might need it. You never know, maybe you know somebody who needs a beginner friendly tutorial, or who has been looking for an easy to follow soft glam tutorial. Do share it to that person. And remember, if you're unsubscribed yet, please do subscribe and join the fam, and hit that notification bell as well, so you get notified every single time I upload a new video and never miss out. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video.